Good morning, students. Today we'll start chapter 8, that is Human Health and Diseases. Health, the condition of being sound in body, mind, or spirit, especially freedom from physical disease or pain. In ancient days, it is considered as a state of body and mind with balance of humors, asserted by Greeks and Indian Ayurveda system. It was believed person with black bile belonged to hot personality and would have fever. Humors, four distinct body fluids, excess or deficiency of bodily fluid in individual person directly influences temperament on health. For humans, black bile, yellow bile, phlegm and blood. Health includes food and diet, exercise, family and friends, sleep, and stress management. Factors influencing health: genetic disorder, deficiency, a child born with a deficiency or defect, child inherit, infections, lifestyle, food and water, rest and exercise habits. Health in generally means free from illness, disease, injury or pain, lack of physical fitness. Health can be defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Healthy people are efficient at work, which increases productivity and brings economic prosperity. Health increases longevity of people and reduces infant and maternal mortality. Characteristics of good health. Important characteristics of person having good health: free from sickness and diseases, free from unnecessary anxiety, free from social and psychological tensions, self-confidence, feeling joy in living, ability to work efficiently and at its best. Diseases: any condition which interferes with the normal functioning of the body and impairs the health is called disease. Types of diseases: congenital disease, that is inborn disease or genetically inherited; acquired diseases, after birth; and non-inheritable, means the diseases which we develop in our life, that is known as acquired disease. Congenital disease, disease due to gene mutation, for example hemophilia, color blindness. Disease due to chromosomal mutation, for example Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, as you have seen in the genetics chapter. Acquired disease, communicable or infectious diseases, air, water, food, physical contact or vectors like bacteria, virus, protozoa, helminthes, fungus, etc. Non-communicable or non-infectious disease, that is deficiency disease like diabetes, degenerative arthritis, cancerous and allergic diseases like asthma. Common diseases in human: any substances which cause a disease by its excess or deficiency or absence are called disease agents. Organisms belonging to bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoans, helminths, etc., which cause disease are called pathogens. Pathogens act as a parasite by living on or in host and cause harm. Once entered into host body, it multiplies and interferes with normal vital activities, which results morphological and functional damage. Pathogens after entry into the host adapt itself based on environment. For example, pathogens entering gut should survive at low pH to resist digestive enzymes. Typhoid. Its causative agent is Salmonella typhi, a bacterium. Epidemiology: contaminated food and water enters small intestine and migrate to other organs through blood. Symptoms: typhoid fever, sustained high fever, that is about 39 degree to 40 degree Celsius, weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache, loss of appetite, severe cases, intestinal perforation and death. That is confirmation of disease, that is a Vidal test that is used to detect the presence of typhoid in the body. That is Vidal test. See some of the symptoms: loss of appetite, abdominal cramps, diarrhea, fever, nausea, vomiting. Now the second is pneumonia. Causative agent, Streptococcus pneumoniae, that is a bacteria. That Haemophilus influenzae, that is also bacteria. Epidemiology, inhalation of droplets or aerosols released by an infected person and by sharing glasses and utensils with an infected person. Symptom: disease developed by causing infection in respiratory tract. Alveoli due to infection gets filled with fluid. Severe problem in respiration. Symptoms includes fever, chills, cough and headache. Severe cases, the lips and fingernails may turn grey or bluish in color. See the picture, the person infected from pneumonia. See the picture of lungs, normal alveoli, and in the case of pneumonia, how the alveoli are damaged due to infection. Third disease is common cold. Causative agent is rhinovirus. Epidemiology, inhalation of droplets of cough or sneeze of an infected person. Transmission through contaminated objects. Symptoms: infect the nose and respiratory passage but not the lungs. Common cold shows symptoms like nasal congestion and discharge, sore throat, hardness, cough, headache, tiredness, etc. Symptoms usually last for 3 to 7 days. See the sudden symptoms: severe come on without warning, fever about 100 degree Fahrenheit or more, itches, sudden unexpected chills, unexplained chills means feeling cold, then tiredness. Fourth is malaria. Causative agent, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. All these are protozoans. Plasmodium falciparum, malignant malaria which may be fatal. Epidemiology, bite of female Anopheles mosquito, target organ RBC and liver. Symptoms: high fever and chill. Fever occurs on every alternate day. Vomiting. Symptoms of malaria: skin chills and sweating, respiratory dry cough, spleen enlargement, stomach nausea, vomiting, back pain, muscular fatigue pain, systemic fever and headache. See the life cycle of malarial parasite. There are two hosts, human and mosquito. Malaria parasite completes its life cycle both in human and female anopheles. First is the mosquito bite. When the mosquito bites, it transfers the sporozoites into the blood of human beings. There, It produces more numbers of sporozoites through the asexual reproduction in the liver cells, and that results bursting of liver cells. The release of sporozoites into the blood infects RBC, RBC burst, fever and chill, formation of gametocyst, then sexual stage, transfer into female mosquito, fertilization and development, formation of sporozoites, transfer to humans. Life cycle of Plasmodium. Plasmodium requires to host human and mosquito, female anopheles. Life cycles of Plasmodium starts with injecting sporozoites through the bite of infected female anopheles mosquitoes. The parasite initially multiply within the liver cells and then attack the red blood cells, resulting in their rupture. There is a release of a toxic substance called hemozoin from the ruptured RBC. It is responsible for the chill and high fever. From the infected human, the parasites enter into the body of Anopheles mosquito during biting and sucking blood. Further development takes place in the body of Anopheles mosquito. Fifth disease is amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery. Causative agent Entamoeba histolytica, that is a protozoa. Epidemiology: transmission of parasite from feces of infected person to food or food products through houseflies, that is a mechanical carrier. Drinking water contaminated by the fecal matter are the main source of infection. Target organ: large intestine. Symptoms: constipation, abdominal pain and cramps, stools with excess mucus and blood clots. See the life cycle. Sixth disease is Ascariasis. Positive agent Ascaris lumbricoides, that is a roundworm, belongs to helminths group. Epidemiology: consumption of contaminated water, vegetables, fruits, etc. Contamination takes place through feces and of infected person which have the egg of parasite. Target organ: intestine. Symptoms: internal bleeding of intestine, muscular pain, fever, anemia and blockage of the intestinal passage. See the picture of Ascaris, that is also known as roundworm. Female is longer than the male. Sixth disease is elephantiasis or filariasis. Causative organism Wucheria boncarapti, Wucheria malai, filarial worms, belongs to helminths group. Epidemiology: bite of female mosquito vectors, that is Culex. Target organ: lymphatic vessels of lower limbs, genital organs. Symptoms: chronic inflammation of organs many years. Lymphatic vessels which results in appearance of elephant-like leg. That's why this disease is known as elephantiasis. Deformation of genital organ. See the life cycle of filarial worm.